the fashion show. If you don't know what the fashion show is, it is like I made it up just a few days ago. It's for slime fashion slime, not fashion show. Sorry, fashion show. So yeah, today I'm gonna be like I have my slime area over there, like back towards my bed, towards my dresser. And I'm gonna be moving it over right here by my door thing. So first, I'm going to get all my ingredients and everything, together. Whoa, together. So yeah, let's go. What the? Okay, so guys, this is my seat. It's a bucket. It is purple. It looks black, I think, to y'all. Black. Yeah, it looks black to y'all. But let me turn on my lamp. Better lighting. So this purple, yeah, I don't think I can see it. I don't think it still looks black here. It may look purple to y'all. But still. So I'm gonna sit there. I'm going to hold on. Oh gosh, so I'm gonna be moving one of my shelves over here so I can start putting up my lamp over here. So. Here it is. It is the white thingy. Okay. So I'm gonna put it over here. That was very loud. I'm gonna get my lamp. I'm gonna unplug it. So I have to move this back. I know y'all can't really see me because I have your facing a different way than I would, but here's my lamp. It's yellow. So need to switch this around. Okay. Set it all the way, and I'm gonna bring it behind my TV. Sorry guys, the plug is right over behind my TV, so like that's where I have to plug it up at. And it got brighter over there if y'all can't see. So can you see? Yeah, you can see a little bit. So in every video, this lamp, it's gonna be like y'all are gonna be sitting right here, and the lamp will be on. So like I'm sitting right here on a little bucket with the little chair and the other one in front of me. So I'll be like this, but yeah. But I'll have another one of these in front of me, so and you'll be able to see even more. But I'm just gonna slide this under the chair because that's what it is. So I just slide it under there because it fits like perfectly under there. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna keep y'all where y'all are at. So sorry, my room's a mess. You wanna see how messy it is? Yeah. Plus there's more that way. There's more that way. There's like it's all by my door and everything. Look at my stepping on. So I am going to get the other bench thingy, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Oh, first I actually need to get this. I have this cash register for all my slime orders. It's the McDonald's cash register. So I'll show you how it works. So it has the thing cash on it, and it opens up, and what is in it is 2 cards, and I need to get my little money thing because it has all my money in it. See, in it box. Did I say Sundrop?
Happy Meal. Sunday.
Oh, I said Sundrop. I was about to say Sundrop. It's off.
Hamburger.
So it should be off, but I'm gonna have this. Like, I'm gonna get this as far as it can go, but I'm gonna have this. Whoa. So this may have to be like skidded right there. No, because that won't fall. But this will be underneath it, so because I don't really get that much orders. I'm really like often, so I'm gonna go get the other thing. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go get the other one of these. And yeah, well, let's go. Okay, so here it is. And let's get the little chair because I have it like right. I have it like literally sitting right here. So yeah. Sorry, like this one's uneven. My door thing's right here. If I scoot y'all over, y'all won't have to look at. Whoa. You don't have to look at y'all were just looking at this. Let's see. You may be looking at this. So you're looking at this part right here. So, yeah. So that's it. And I will move my little dresser. But first I'm gonna go get like all the bowls and stuff. So I have one bowl that will like it stays right here because like if I can't find my other bowl, I have it there. And oh my gosh, where's the red one at? Hold on, guys. Okay, here. It's like a mat thingy, and it's like I don't know how to explain it, but it's red. It looks pink to y'all, but it's actually red. And it's a diaper changer, I guess. I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna use it for my slime area. For like, if the bowl gets dirty, it's okay if it gets on this, and I can just like take the bowl off and fold it up. It folds up, so it's like it goes in the diaper, so I can just stick it in my chair like this. Like this, and it feels like perfect. So I'm just gonna keep that in my chair. I'm just kidding. It falls out. So I'm gonna fold it in, fold it back up. And this little bowl is gonna be for miniature slimes. And this will be starting as a coloring area very soon whenever all my slime stuff is gone. So I'm just going to have the little things. I have like a pin. I do have miniature mixing sticks. So I will go find my miniature mixing stick in a second. I don't know. I put that Sharpie in there, but I did. So. Let's see if my miniature thing is in my diaper bag. Hold on, guys. I have like so many diapers in here. Like, it's filled with diapers. I'm not kidding. Okay. Here's my, oh my gosh, where's it at? Okay, here it is. Here's my miniature mixing stick. I knew I had one somewhere, but it was in my duffel bag. Oh, I have my clear Gatorade, so I'm gonna put it over here because I love Gatorades. So I have clear Gatorade. This is gonna stay over here, and then miniature mixing bowl will go over there. So, and like if I need something to drink, I just have it right here. So, clear Gatorade is so good. And then I have a sucker up here that's stuck in it. So, it is birthday cake. Kinley, can you please calm it down? Okay.
No, I have.
Hello.
This.
Who was that? I can't have our house freaking dog.
Sorry. I'll click your note. Come here.
Dude, there's a random dog in our house. There's a random dog in our house. Some man's dog in our house. Like, it ran into my bedroom. It almost, my cat literally almost. Sorry for you. So this stuff is gonna go in the back. I'm gonna move this seat. All my extra stuff is gonna go in the back. Cause oh yeah, it was my mom's cousin's dog, so it doesn't matter. He came to my house. Oh gosh, my back hurts. I got a sucker right here. So I have these, and these are gonna be like for like pictures. I'm gonna like hang them up. So I'm just gonna clip that up there. These little things have clips. Like here, I'll demonstrate it on this part. Yeah, it clips, so I'm just gonna clip it back here by the little thing. Okay. So if you hear my sister talking to my cats like they're babies, because that's how we are. We love our animals. We have 4 animals, and we're about to get 2 more. So we're about to have 6 animals, then we're getting more and more until we have 10, 20 animals. Yeah. I could literally sleep on this. This is like so comfortable. Okay. I gotta go. I'm gonna get all of our ingredients ready. So, yeah. Where's my little rack? Get off. There's like money all over my house for me. Because my cat knocked over my money jar. So, I'm gonna fold this up and use this to like hold
Hey
it.
guys, look. Hold on.
You're so freaking stupid. Well, you're so stupid. Okay, stop. Stupid. Okay. So.
Now ask Jenny was saying.
God.
I'm gonna ask Kimberly was saying.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a nail and hammer. So I'll be back.
Mama.
like this. Very cute. And I'm gonna hang it up here. So, oh my gosh. No. No, 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 no. No! Yay! There is no paint on one spot. That's my poster. It is right here. Don't think y'all can see it because it looks white to y'all, but I'm very mad at Kinley. So I'm gonna move y'all into the floor real quick. So I can hang this up because I have to stuff on this. Let me get the net first. My face. Yeah, guys, I just laid the poster on you, so. Okay. Sorry, that was my candle. Ow! Freaking burnt me. Oh no, it can't. Oh no, don't spill everywhere. Oh, wrong side. Oh gosh, don't freaking. I have to do this the other way. Dang it. Go. Hush. Oh my gosh. It just knocked it down. And I'm not going to give. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna ask my mom if she can hang these up. Mama! Oh, Mama! Can you hang that poster up? So my mom has to wait, but I'll try it again by myself. I'm gonna try it lower, like near middle section. So where did that nail go? And where did the nail go? I'll find it later. Another nail. Oh, dang it. Gosh. have one nailed in. Time for the second one. I'm just gonna have my phone right here. Okay, good. Okay, that's okay. They're still good. So I have two nailed in. So now I'm gonna get the bottom ones nailed in. I don't know what Lily's watching, but she's watching something. It may be Kinley. Or one of them, I don't know what they're watching, but they're watching something. I think it's on Netflix. Really? Where did it go? Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Okay. So everything's good, but whoa. What is on that? So I have got everything done. I'm going to try and fix this top one if I can get it out. So I don't want it to look. Well, it looks good enough. So let's mash it in one more time for all of them. Make sure that's stable. So it is hung up. It says it has chocolate, a smiley face, a unicorn, a rainbow, a pineapple pizza, a cupcake, and a doggy. And it's saying yay, I guess. That's what it says. So. Never mind, Mama. I got it hung up. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on back. I need those hammer nails still. I still have these. For 18. Okay, so first I'm gonna nail up these balloons. So I need a nail and I need to poke it through this so I can already have it in before. What? How did that go through? Don't know where the nail went. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna see if it will do it again. but they're red and orange, so I'm gonna see if I can hammer these up. I'm gonna try to accomplish it. Right. So, whoa. Where's the nail thing? Okay, so I need to get the hammer. I'm gonna put, no, not this. Nail them up sideways right here. I'll try to nail them up at least. I'm gonna try. No, if it's not good. I can't do it. I know them like one by one I could have, but there's the hole. Dang it. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a nail, a spare nail at least. And I'm gonna poke a hole right up here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out. Whoa. Okay, so let's pull it out. Lay this right here. Pull this out. Whoa. I'm gonna do this. I'll try not to kill myself, but. Okay, so I got that hung up. So it is hung up like sideways. You really can't see it.
Show me what.
Right?
I got mama.
Okay.
Give me what. Ready?
My sister showed, my mom's terrified of clowns, and my sister showed my mom a clown, and I don't know what her reaction was, but I bet she was scared. Where is the other nose that I can't find? Okay, it's okay. But I have a picture of slime that some fans drew on my last channel, on my old channel. So a slime that I made, but it got deleted for who knows what reason. So I'm gonna like nail them like up beside the poster. So. Gosh. Well, I'm not gonna do this nail. I'm gonna do another nail because this nail is crooked and it messed up my picture. So that nail can be thrown away. So I'm gonna get another nail and accomplish to put it back up. So I'm gonna put this in the thing. And so it went in perfectly fine. See if I can nail it one more time. Make sure it's stable. So it's stable. Now I have this fashion thing that a fan drew. So I'm gonna get another thing. So all these are from my last YouTube channel, which I was telling them about that I'm gonna stop that channel and make a new one called the Fashion Slime. So they drew me like some dresses and slime and makeup for like fashion. So I have a perfume and makeup. I know you can't see it because the light's so bright, but yeah. Oof. So I'm just doing them down, like toast down. Okay, so that's good. They're kind of like fluffy everywhere. So, I wanted to know. So here is the one that says Fashion Salon. So I'm going to do this. I don't know where. I think I'll do it at the very, very top. So I might just do it right here, up back where it says "Welcome back to Fashion Salon." So okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 more. I have this one that says 2018 because I made this in 2018. I made this myself, and there's a piece of glue on this. I'm going to tape, double-sided taping. It made me mad. So I'm going to hang this up right over here. Right here. Whoa, okay. I may not hang this one up. I may just have it like I may just hang it up right here. Yeah, I'll hang it up right there. What? Why? Oh, thought you were talking about me. Like, why do you mean me? Oh, that hurt my hand. So this has washable glue, some food coloring, some glitter, some lotion, some perfume, and some activator, and I guess that's all that they drew. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a little bit, it's actually really good. It has like all the opening parts, the little like shape of the bottle. So really, keep on fire. I'm gonna have to move this for now because it's like blinding me. I can't do anything. These are like crooked because I can't hang stuff up perfect, but I can still hang things up. Ow, my head. Don't know what. It's not going to end up. Don't know why, so I'm gonna have to hit it harder. Okay. It's like freaking nice. I think I know why I have to hang this one. So I'm gonna get the tape off of this one. So this one is like a little checklist, like a slime list, so that's cool. Really like it. That's not how I did. That's at the end of the rabbit. Okay, so now I'm gonna hang this up over here to the side. Hello? Here. Oh gosh. Don't smash my finger, please. Don't me. There's a bug flying, and I'm scared of that type of bug that's flying over. I'm scared of a lot of bugs. I'm scared of it looks like a spider, but it's actually like a bug. Please tell me this cause equals. So it's right here. Okay, so I have all the pictures hung up.
What are you doing? Go around the fucking front door. We're facing the goddamn back door.
Briley.
Kinsley, come on now. I gotta get that out of your hair.
Okay. I guess it's
Your
time.
hair's gonna fall out.
So I'm gonna go put these up and I'll be
Get that
back.
shit out of your hair.
Will you make me some? I want some coffee because Bud's making her some coffee, but she won't make me some because she's a brat. So let's see if it will hit the screen. If I didn't hit the screen that time. Okay, screen that time. Bang. Bang. Let me do it then. I don't know how my hair looks and I want to see it. Okay, oh my gosh. So, I've done showed you all of this crap, or I'm already showing you it. So, this is 39 minutes long. I gotta hurry. It's supposed to be 40 minutes and I'm going to wait until it's 40 minutes and I'm going to stop. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next daily video. Bye guys. Peace out.